Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best raised garden beds that are available on the market for their true quality. You can check out the product links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. Starting off at number 5, we have the Landguard Galvanized Raised Garden Bed Kit. If you're looking for a simple, durable, and easy to set up option for your outdoor gardening needs, this one is worth considering. With dimensions of 4 x 2 x 1 feet, and a 7.14 cubic feet capacity, it offers ample room to grow vegetables, flowers, and herbs. The standout feature here is its double-layer galvanized steel construction, which ensures longevity and resistance to corrosion, even in tough weather conditions. Plus, its oval design provides a modern aesthetic and added structural stability. This raised garden bed is incredibly user-friendly. It only takes about 5 minutes to assemble, making it perfect for beginners. The open base design promotes proper water drainage and protects plant roots from decay, ensuring healthier growth. At just 5 pounds, it's lightweight yet sturdy enough to handle the weight of soil and plants effectively. However, while the design and build are impressive, the lack of included accessories like gloves or tools might be a drawback for some. The Landguard bed is an excellent choice for budget-conscious gardeners who want a reliable and functional product. It's perfect for those who need a durable planter box for outdoor use, but don't want to compromise on ease of assembly. On the downside, it lacks the bells and whistles like self-watering systems or elevated designs, which may be a deal-breaker for some. Nonetheless, its simplicity and durability earn it a spot in our top 5. At number 4, we have the JERIA Raised Garden Bed. This product stands out for its value-packed offering, which includes 2 planter boxes, assembly tools, safety gloves, and rubber edge strips for added safety. Each box measures 4 by 2 by 1 feet, providing ample room for a variety of plants, whether you're growing vegetables, fruits, or flowers. The galvanized metal construction is thickened for extra durability, making it resistant to rust and corrosion in all weather conditions. This makes it a great choice for gardeners who want a long-lasting solution without frequent replacements. What's unique about the JERIA garden bed is its user-friendly design. The open base improves drainage and soil health, while the rounded edges with rubber sealing strips ensure safety during assembly and use. It's also lightweight at just under 18 pounds per box, which allows for easy relocation if needed. However, despite its many advantages, some users have noted that the assembly process, while straightforward, requires a bit of patience due to the number of bolts and nuts provided. The JERIA garden bed is ideal for gardeners looking for a comprehensive starter kit. It's especially great for those who value durability and safety features, but don't mind spending a little extra time on assembly. On the downside, it might not be the best option for those looking for elevated designs or advanced features like self-watering systems. Overall, this is a solid mid-tier option for a variety of gardening needs. Coming in at number 3 is the Litala Elevate 32-inch tall raised garden bed. This product is perfect for gardeners who value convenience and ergonomic design. The 32-inch height eliminates the need to bend over, making it a fantastic option for seniors or anyone with back pain. Its powder-coated steel construction is both rust-resistant and capable of holding up to 400 pounds of soil and plants. Additionally, it features a detachable bottom shelf for extra storage and wheels for mobility, making it highly practical for patios, balconies, or any outdoor space. The Litala raised bed boasts a dual-layer drainage system with 5 holes and 2 cross lines to prevent waterlogging, ensuring healthier roots and better plant growth. The 37-inch width makes it compact enough to fit into smaller spaces without compromising planting area. However, its assembly process might require a bit more effort due to the additional components like wheels and shelves. Despite this, the sturdy build and thoughtful design make it well worth the effort. This raised bed is ideal for urban gardeners or those with limited outdoor space who need a mobile and ergonomic gardening solution. The included lifetime warranty is a reassuring bonus, ensuring peace of mind for long-term use. On the downside, Its higher price point might be a consideration for those on a tight budget. Overall, the Litala garden bed is a premium option for those who prioritize functionality and comfort. At number 2, we have the Vego raised garden bed kit. This is a premium choice for serious gardeners looking for flexibility and durability. The 17-inch tall bed offers ample depth for root systems, promoting healthier plant growth and reducing the need for bending while gardening. The standout feature is its modular design, allowing you to assemble it into one of 9 possible configurations to suit your garden layout. Made from a blend of zinc, magnesium, and aluminum-coated steel with USDA-approved Akzo Nobel paint, it's designed to last over 20 years without corrosion. What makes this product exceptional is its ease of assembly and safety features. The oval design eliminates sharp corners, and the included rubber edging ensures a safe and smooth installation process. At 23 cubic feet, the Vego bed provides one of the largest planting capacities on this list, making it perfect for those with ambitious gardening plans. However, its heavier weight and premium materials mean it's less portable than some other options. The Vego garden kit is ideal for experienced gardeners who value durability, customization, and a large planting area. Its higher price point reflects its long-term value and unmatched build quality. While it may not be the best choice for those with limited space or smaller gardening needs, it's a top-tier option for anyone looking to invest in a high-quality raised bed system. And finally, taking the top spot at number 1 is the Keter Urban Bloomer 12.7-gallon raised garden bed. This product is perfect for urban gardeners or anyone with limited space. Its compact yet functional design makes it ideal for patios, balconies, or small backyards. The self-watering system is the star feature here, complete with a water reservoir and gauge that indicates when your plants need more moisture. The drainage plug allows for full control over watering, preventing root rot and overwatering. The Urban Bloomer is made from fade-resistant resin, ensuring it remains durable and visually appealing over time. At 32.3 inches in length and nearly 31 inches in height, it's a comfortable height for tending to your plants without straining your back. Assembly is a breeze, with clear instructions included, making it accessible even for beginners. However, its 12.7-gallon capacity is smaller compared to other options on this list, which might limit the variety or number of plants you can grow. This raised bed is perfect for anyone looking for a low-maintenance, stylish, and functional gardening solution. Its affordable price point and self-watering feature make it an excellent value for money. While it may not be suitable for large-scale gardening projects, the Keter Urban Bloomer is the best choice for small spaces and urban lifestyles. Its thoughtful design and ease of use make it a must-have for gardeners of all skill levels. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.